Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got another President Lincoln 2 Plus. We're going to do a tune-up report for Chris in Georgia. He also asked me to put a recorder in this radio, so we're going to switch it over here for that. Alright, let's check out the power on here. We're in AM, we're going to take the RF power, turn it all the way down. Take that, put it on 10 watt scale. All the way down to about 1. All the way up, it's a little over 10. Let's go to the next scale. Reading on the bottom right there. That reads about 11.5, 12. Alright, 100 watts. Like here again, reading on the bottom scale. Audio, 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 audio. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 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 audio. Alright, and now we'll go to FM. It's about 26, 27, and then all the way down is 1. 1 all the way down. Now, sideband power. Audio. Audio. Turn the power back up again. Audio. At about 50 mark. That's it. Alright. The recorder, as we've shown you before, you just flip it up when you want to record somebody that's on the air, and you flip it down when you want to play it. Flipping it down gets it ready to play. It won't play until you hit the transmit. Alright. Someone we recorded earlier. Let's go down here. Bagger 19 for a radio check.
You can make the checks out the big pit.
10-1, the big pit. Thanks for coming back to me, bud.
Yep.